as Russia relies on equipment left over from the Soviet Union to keep up with their losses. They sometimes use very old equipment, as seen with this T-55 tank. While a T-55 is better than no tank, the lower armor causes increased risk for the crew. As a FPV drone came in and hit the top bag section, the tank was immobilized, letting a second FPV drone to strike the tank again. This time penetrating the tank's lower roof armor and hitting the ammunition inside, causing a massive explosion, tossing the tank's parts all around, taking out the old tank once for all, reducing Russia's tank force, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.